Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a second look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals eyeshadow palette. So I really love the shimmers, metallics in this eyeshadow palette, and I did something very cool tone, which was out of my comfort zone, but it came out beautiful nonetheless. So today I'm going to be playing with the more warmer colors in this eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals eyeshadow palette. Today I'm going to be playing more with the warmer tones. I already did a look using some of the cooler tones in this palette, so I'm going to link that so you can watch it in case you missed it. So yeah, why don't I just jump in. So far I've moisturized my face and I did my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then I used the dual powder to fill them in. And then I carved out the bottom of my eyebrows with MAC Paint Pot, and I also used this to prime the lids. And then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes, and now I'm just gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. So let's see, I'm going to grab a blending brush. I'm going to be using the Sedona Lace. I don't even know the name of it, but it doesn't really matter because Sedona Lace doesn't have none of these brushes on their website. So I'm not sure if they made new brushes, but yeah, these don't exist on the website anymore. So anyways, it's just your typical blending brush, and I'm going to grab the color, let's see, Sunrose, which is this beautiful orange shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. I'm gonna grab my mirror and yeah, I'm gonna apply this to the crease like so. So that's how that color Sunrose is looking like. As you can see, very blown out, maybe too much, but it doesn't matter because when I go in with my concealer, I'll clean out the edges here and it's gonna come together in the end, so I'm not too worried. Alrighty, so now I'm going to grab a more tapered brush. I'm going to grab the, let's see, okay, so I'm going to grab this Sedona Lace. This is the EP09. See, it's a more tapered brush, as you can see. And alrighty, so I'm going to go into the color Dune, which is this like brick red almost right here. And if I didn't mention this before, I'm going to be doing a halo eye, so I'm going to apply that color in the outer part and the inner part of the eye. So again, I'm going to go in with the color Dune, and yeah, I'm going to, you know, get the color and apply in this outer part here. I'm going to try and keep it on the lid and not bring it up too high. And then I'm going to apply it in this inner part of the eyelid. Like so. So I like to look down, that way I know where I'm applying my shade and I have a clear vision of my eyelid. So I'm stamping the color first. I'm not blending anything out. So like so. And now I'm gonna turn my brush sideways and I'm just gonna blend this edge right here. And then the same in this inner part right here. And as you can see, it's blending out like butter. So it should look something like that. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'm just gonna go over everything again, because we don't want no harsh lines. Alrighty, so now with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the color Royal, which is this burgundy color, but this is more, it looks like a shimmer right here. It's the color Royal again, and I'm gonna apply this over the color Dune in the outer part and inner part. Actually, I'm gonna go in with another brush. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe x Ariel 820. It's a tapered brush, and I'm gonna go into that color Royal, and I'm gonna place it over that Dune color. So it's definitely making that, it's almost, yeah, it's like a burgundy pop. It looks really pretty. So I'm trying to keep that on the eyelid. I'm not trying to take it up into the crease like so. Alright, now I'm going to go with my blending brush that we used on the crease, and I'm just going to go over the edges, make sure that everything is very blended. So like so. Okay, now we're gonna go in with a glitter glue. So I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand, which is this right here. And I'm gonna apply this in the inner part where we don't have any eyeshadow, and then we're gonna go in with another shimmer, and I'm going to take this up into the crease, so like so. Now I'm going to go into the shade Rose Fire, which is this copper color right here. It looks so beautiful. Like, look at that. How pretty is that? So I'm going to use that shade right here in this inner part of the eyelid. Oh, that's so pretty. And even tapping it into the crease a little bit. But see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Oh my god, these shimmers are stunning. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into that brush that we used in the inner and outer part of the eyelid with no additional product. I'm just going to blend into that like coppery color. Actually, I'm going to go into Royal and just go into that copper color to blend those edges a little bit more. How pretty is that? So pretty. Alrighty, so do the same thing on the other eye. Go in with the glitter glue. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm going to go in with the blending brush. I'm just gonna go over the edges, make sure there are no harsh lines. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna jump off camera, you know, do a liner, lashes, do the face, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So hang tight. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? So pretty. Oh my gosh, this palette is so beautiful and stunning. I would definitely recommend if you're looking for a new eyeshadow palette, if you love metallics, shimmers, this palette won't disappoint. It does have a little bit of kickback, but I mean, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I've been digging it. I've been into it. Yeah, it's just so pretty. So yes, I'm pretty happy with this palette. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.